So this video is part 2 of the introduction of multi-step equations. This connecting SOL is SOL 8.14b, which is simplifying expressions. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to simplify algebraic expressions using combining like terms and the distributive property. So let's first of all look at some vocabulary. So like terms. Like terms are those variables and their exponents that are the same. In other words, terms that are like each other. I look at terms as having the same last name. So if you look at 3a, 12a, and 54a, they are like terms because they all have the same last name of a. We have 5x, 12x, and 0.9x. Again, they are like terms because they all have the same last name of x. And also 3xy squared, 9xy squared, and 12xy squared, again, are like terms because they all have the last name of xy squared. The distributive property, multiplying a number by a group of numbers added together, is the same as doing each multiplication separately. So with the distributive property, if we look at the example that's there, you have A and it's being multiplied by B plus C. A, you multiply everything inside the parentheses by A, so therefore you get A times B plus A times C. All right, so let's take a look at an example of combining like terms. So for the first one, we're going to look at 7k plus 3f plus 8k plus 15f. When combining like terms, I like to go through with different colors, highlight my like terms or circle or box my like terms, and then combine them afterwards. So I have 7k, so I'm looking for a term that has a k just like my 7, and that is 8k. Then I see 3f and 15f. So I have 7k plus 8k, which gives me 15k. And then I have 3f plus 15f, which gives me 18f. I cannot combine 15k and 18f because they have different variables and they are not like terms. All right. For the second example, I have 24 plus 16m minus 5m plus 7 plus 3b. So again, I'm going to go through. I see that I have 16m, so I'm going to go ahead and box that. And 5m. I also have 7, which is a constant, and 24, which is a constant as well. Let me change this because this should definitely be a 3b. So let's make that look more like a B. There we go. All right. So now looking, I have 24 plus 7. 24 plus 7 gives me 31. I have 16m minus 5m, which gives me plus 11m. And then plus 3b. I cannot simplify it any further because I cannot combine 11m with any of the terms. I can't combine 3b with any of the terms there, and I also can't combine 31. All right, for the distributive property, the first example we're going to look at is 3 times 7x plus 9. All right, so with the distributive property, everything inside of the parentheses gets multiplied by 3. So I'm going to multiply my 7x by 3 and multiply my 9 by 3. I get 21x when I multiply 3 and 7x, and then I get plus 27. This is my final answer because I cannot combine 21x and 27. The next example I have is negative 7 times 6m plus 2g plus 9. Again, everything inside of the parentheses gets multiplied by my -7. So I get -42m minus 14g minus 63. And again, I cannot combine them together because they are not like terms, and that is my final answer. All right, you'll find 4 practice problems similar to the ones here at the bottom of this presentation. Please work these out on your own, and then you can check your answers at the end of this video.